If you want to know how to find your Ikigai and how to make society happy, this is the video you're looking for, so stick around. Now, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, and let me introduce myself first. Okay, I'm gonna show you the picture first. Ikigai is the field of my expertise since I've written 2 books on that topic, and I am the founder of a philosophy called Zen and a way of sustainable prosperity, which is a philosophy to help you become sustainably prosperous, healthy, happy, and enlightened all at the same time. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about Ikigai, and I'm going to share with you how to find your Ikigai. But in the last video, I told you that in order to find your Ikigai, you need to deepen your understanding of yourself and society in general more. Especially, you need to study the 2 fields. One is personal happiness, and the other is social happiness. Because you probably have seen this diagram before, right? This is often introduced with a way to find your Ikigai, and which sometimes works, yes. But sometimes it is difficult if you don't have a deep understanding of life in general. For example, it says what the world needs here. What does it mean? If you don't know about social system or what makes society happy, it is difficult to come up with good answers. Yes? Therefore, you need to study more about society. And I also introduced the concept called Sanpo-Yoshi in the last video, which is the philosophy by Omi Merchant. And it means 3-way satisfaction. Seller is happy, buyer is happy, and society is happy. Now, today, I'd like to talk about how to make society happy. The third Yoshi, second Yoshi, society is happy. Yes. Now, I think there are 5 elements to make society happy. Now, this is just my idea. I mean, there could be more, or there could be more. And how I came up with these ideas actually is, I actually bought this house from an Omi merchant. An Omi merchant, some Omi merchant used to practice Zen, and I think this merchant practiced Zen because there's a Zen stick in this room. So I decided to practice Zen, and I sat in this room and meditated with the question, how to make society happy, and then those 5 elements appeared in my mind. So I'll explain each one by one. First is small. Now, in order to make society happy, we want to act small. For example, if you want to start a business, make a small business because we need to shift from a growth-oriented economy to a circular economy. Now, I feel more and more the world is globalized and our business is globalized, but and the idea of globalization is growing, especially the way the business is conducted today. Yeah, I'm not completely against globalization, but unfortunately today, only a few corporations are growing globally, and they are getting all the shares in the market, and the wealth is not distributed to many people. So we need to shift that type of economy to distributing wealth to many people, which means each person needs to have smaller wealth. Yes, because you cannot have so many people with a huge wealth. That is impossible. Another word, from franchising type of business practice to mom and pop store type of activities. Yeah, you don't need to expand your businesses to many countries. You can just have store in your area, just one store, that is enough. The whole idea is to be comfortable with your lot, be satisfied with your lot. And in many ways, you can be happier if you're satisfied with your own lot. The second element is local, going local, global to local. Now, the benefit of a local economy is you can bring money back to the community. Now, with a globalized economy, what is happening is money is taken out of the community, and the money is going to headquarters in Tokyo or New York, or or the money is going to all big corporations, a few big corporations, and not distributed to the public. Therefore, by switching to a local economy, you can bring money back to the community to more people. And local economy in general is more sustainable. For example, you don't use so much energy to transport goods. Yes? And also, you can use resources within your area, and you can circulate resources. And it is more sustainable. Now, the third element is environmentally friendly. Now, I don't need to explain what it means. Probably you all know about it, right? So I'll just give you some examples of environmentally friendly activities or businesses. Organic farming, green tourism, alternative energy, eco-housing, or organic cotton. When I say organic cotton, it's like a organic clothing industry. Yeah. So often when you say organic farming, we mean like a food, growing vegetables, rice, wheat, and so on. But you can also grow materials to make clothes organically, and natural clothing industry is very crucial. And next element is socially just. Again, I'm going to give you some examples like ethical labor practice, equal rights for men and women, different races, and diversity, to cultural diversity, religious diversity, to be tolerant of different approaches, different ways of doing things, and to become more aware and spend more fun in social warfare in general. Now, these all four elements are more what you do, but often we forget how to approach things, even though we are conscious of equal rights. But if we don't know how to communicate, unconsciously, we can be offending to some people. So using a method such as nonviolent communication, we can be socially just in a more holistic level. What does it mean by holistic? So I'm going to explain it to you in a minute. The last element is holistic, which means understanding things as a whole, not a part of it, but look at things from a whole picture. For example, in Oriental medicine, like acupuncture, yes, we regard like everything is related. We have our arms, legs, head, everything's related, and things are they are related to our organs as well. And there are things called meridians in our body, which is our lines of energies, and each meridian is related to each organ. And your physical condition is related to your emotional state, and so on. So when you look at the disease, you don't look at only one part, you look at everything. You look at the whole body. So that's what being holistic means. And there are several different fields of holistic activities, such as holistic medicine, holistic education, holistic diet, which means like a natural food, like whole food, plant-based diet, or Ikigai diet that I'm promoting. or psychotherapy. Often psychotherapy is useful to help you understand more, especially understanding your unconscious mind and how to communicate with others. And holistic sports, stuff like yoga, tai chi, aikido, qigong, these kind of physical activities not only help your body, but it helps your mind and spirit as well. Therefore, they are holistic. All right, so let's sum up the 5 elements to make society happy: small, local, environmentally friendly, socially just, and holistic. Yes. Now, as I said before, these are just my idea. Yeah, there could be so many other elements. So do think about how we can make our society happy. Yes, right. So next time, I would like to talk about personal happiness, how we can make ourselves happy. But I don't know when I will be releasing the next video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to be informed. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.